Hello food lovers, Chef Gustavo here. Today we're going to be making a refreshing summer salad. Today we have some yellow watermelon, regular watermelon, feta cheese, and arugula. We're going to finish it off with a little balsamic glaze to give it that sweet, tangy tartness. Now that we have the base for our salad, we're going to crumble feta cheese. This one comes in a brine. We're going to finish that up with some chopped arugula for a nice peppery kick. We're going to garnish it with a little balsamic dressing. And there you have it, the perfect salad for summer. Don't forget to subscribe and like us for more refreshing content. Bon appetit.